Right. Do you know when you hit age 30, your body starts stealing muscles from you 1% every year? Yes. But if you do training like this, you steal it back even more. You see, when you are age 25, your body is at its peak, right? Whatever you eat, if you eat any protein, something small, even one egg a day, your body is able to convert it easily. But when you hit age 30 going, your body stop being generous. That is what science calls sarcopenia, but I call it what? Theft. But if you do training like this at home or even in the gym, you will have your body intact. So I'll be taking you through some of the workouts you can do that can make you gain body as a young guy. Most guys are choppy, but you see, when you touch the hand like this, you see it's shaky, watery. It doesn't mean you have muscles. This is just water and fat, right? Are you surprised that when someone is, some people, especially guys that don't do workout, when they are down by malaria for 2 or 3 days, you begin to see that they slim down completely. Why do you think it is so? Because whatever that is in their system is water. It's really not muscles. But if you are one who is even slim and you are not doing workout again, just imagine you hit age 30 and every year 1% of your muscle mass is gone. 5 years from now, how are you going to look like? So guys, don't be afraid. There's no cause for alarm. There is a solution to it. You can do the workout at home or in the gym. So I'm going to be taking you through that so that even at age 30, you will steal it back and even gain more what? Muscles like this. So come with me.
So guys, let's take a look at this graph before we hit back to our workout tutorials. So you can see when you are at age 30, you are at your peak and the decline starts there, right? You can all see the figures for yourself, but you and I can do something to reverse the process. We understand you cannot cheat nature, but at least you can do something to salvage the situation.
Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to be taking you through 3 set of workouts that you can do to really gain body mass at any age at all. It doesn't matter whether you are age 60, age 25, 30, or above. But like I said, at age 30 going, if you really want to have your muscles, to really gain that muscle back, to keep being fit at whatever you do, then you need to really consider this exercise serious. The first part of body exercise we'll be looking at is the lower body exercise. Yeah, the lower body exercise that is centered at, when we say lower body, you already know it, right? We are focusing on the thighs and anything down, right? So now the first exercise we'll be looking at is deadlift. Yeah, deadlift. You all know deadlift. Yeah, deadlift is the king of all exercise. If you really want to be strong, if you want to actually strengthen or develop your hamstrings, your glute, and your entire muscle mass, then deadlift is for you. And of course, it also improves your grip, right? So let me just demonstrate how we do it properly. Yeah. So this is my easy barbell deadlift. So let's something like this. Position yourself. Yeah. That is it. So this is just for tutorial purposes. I wouldn't have to do it much, but like you have seen. So that is basically how we do the deadlift. So that's deadlift for you, and it actually works. Your entire body is at work. Yeah, it gives you energy and also develop what? Your hamstrings and your glute. Especially for ladies, you love glute a lot. So this is one of the exercises for you. Now, we would also be looking at Bulgarian split squat. Yeah, Bulgarian split squat. Right. So to do Bulgarian split squat perfectly, most people make mistakes by standing first. No, sit down. When you sit down like this, you stretch your leg like this. Then you stand up. When you stand up like this, whatever metal you are going to use is already there. Then you place the other one back. I hope I don't fall, Alain. You pick the metal. Ooh. Gently, yeah? Right, don't let your legs be closed like this. Give allowance. Then you go down. Right. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I'm using 30 kg, but it doesn't mean go and use 30 kg. Depending on your strength, you can start little and perfect from there. So these are exercises that can actually devolve your lower body. Right. Now, someone will say, well, how about if if I don't work in the gym? Well, it's all the same. You don't need this metal. If you're not in the gym, what I just did, you can use your free body, right? Same way, sitting down, getting up, you can do it with your entire body, and that is it. So you don't need to be in the gym. You can hold something at home just slightly above your chest level and use it to do, right? Now, yeah, so that is basically it. And then barbell squat. Yeah, barbell squat. I wouldn't be doing that. But I want to talk about barbell squat. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so this is a barbell squat. You know, this is when we talk about king, deadlift being the king, barbell squat should be the queen of this. So basically, a quiet demonstration will do like this. Right, you go down slowly and come up. So that is it. Now, how many sets would you be doing? It depends. With a deadlift, yeah, I think deadlift, if you can do 10 sets for 5 reps, would just be great. And then the Bulgarian squat, 10 sets for 10 reps for 4 sets would just be great. Now, the next thing we'll be looking at is what? The upper body push, right? Upper body push. And when we talk about upper body push, it comes in different variations. If you're at home, we are talking about your upper body here. You can do either push-ups, yeah? Push-ups and many other things. So with that, the upper body push, you can do push-ups at home. The normal push-ups, at home, yeah. If you want to actually gain weight, this is it for you. Yeah, this is it for you. This is it for you. If you want to do Mike Tyson push-ups, this is it for you. Mike Tyson push-ups, this is it for you. Now, I already made a video telling you, if you want to develop, say, a fast chest mass, right? You should do short range push-ups. Then this is the short range. Yeah, this is the short range, and the short range focuses on your biceps and then your chest. Doing this, blood is pumped into your pectoral major and then that of your biceps. Yeah, but the long range push-up focuses on your entire arms, biceps, and shoulders as well. Right. So these are some of the exercises you can do. And this, when we talk about the upper body push, we are talking about developing your shoulders, your biceps, and all that. Now, the next exercise as a young guy, right? You want to develop body mass is still on the upper body pull. Yeah, the upper body pull. Yeah, so let me take you and demonstrate how you can do pulls at home. But before that, let me demonstrate something about the still on the push. So let me say, okay, still on the upper body push, you can do this, dips. Yeah, we call it dips. Something if you have a bench at home, you can do dips. It's one of those things that can develop your biceps, dips. So you sit like this, position your hand like this, right? Be literal, right? Then you go down, you come up. Go down, you come up. You go down. So 10 sets for 10 reps will be great. you are just carrying your body. So that is it for the upper body push. Now the last set of exercise that can also give you muscle mass is the upper body pulls. And we are talking about the pull-ups. So I'm taking you right into how you can do the pull-ups, an alternative way of doing it at home. So come with me. All right. So on the third set of body exercise that can give you body mass is the upper body pulls, right? And one of them is the pull-ups. So we'll be demonstrating the pull-ups that you can do at home. So pull-ups like this, you grab it, okay? Grab it, you go like this. Yeah. 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 So that is it for the pull-ups. My friend will be demonstrating it. This is a slim mature guy. He'll be taking you through the pull-ups, so watch it. I want to show his back view of the pull-ups. Yeah, right. So that is it. So watch. Wow, that's cute, right? So basically, that is it. You see, everything is endurance, yeah? Look at him, slim and muscular. That's it. If he can do it, any of us can do it. That's it. That's right. Right. So, on that, our next exercise, still on the upper body pulls, is the lat pull downs, right? The lat pull downs. So I'll be demonstrating the lat pull downs for you to see if you are working at the gym. Okay, so let's look at the lat pull downs. Yeah. Sit like this. Okay. Now, this is the lat pull downs. So you watch the metal like this and you pull it down to your chest level. Yeah. Down to your chest level. Up. Great. So that is lat pull downs. Now, the exercise we'll be wrapping up on the pull-ups is the, come with me, the dumbbell rows. So dumbbell rows. Okay. So, all right. So we'll be demonstrating the dumbbell rows. If you want a thick back, yeah, a muscle cut, this dumbbell rows is the exercise for you. Now, position your leg like this, right? Now, most people go in like this, which is wrong. This is wrong. Now, the right way is when you position yourself like this, let it go like this, 90 degrees. Yeah. All right. The number of sets you do for this hand, you do same for the other hand. And that will be it. So guys, so if you are with me so far, like, follow, and subscribe to Form Check HQ. We are here for business, no BS. So, Charlie, thank you for sticking and staying with me. See you in the next video. Bye.